Hello, good morning to all of you. Once again, enter into the part second of antineoplastic agents. In this segment, we have to discuss with the classification of antineoplastic agents, along with their mechanism actions and some synthetic part related to the syllabus. We have to discuss in these sessions. Now, we have to move with the chemical classification of antineoplastic agents. Generally, these antineoplastic agents are classified into two major groups. That is, on the basis of chemical structures and resource of the drugs, they are categorized as a group 1, whereas group 2 is phase specificity of the concerned drug, or called as cell specific drugs of antineoplastic agents. Now we have to move with the first class, that is on the basis of chemical. The cytotoxic agents are categorized. Cytotoxic agents are largely classified on the basis of their presence of similar structures. Like first class is alkylating agents. It contains alkyl chains in the terminal substitution of the structures. That agents are called as alkylating agents. Antineo antimetabolites. These are the agents which is resemble with the structure of DNA bases. Some anti-tumor antibiotics, cytotoxic drugs, and their antibiotic which used in the treatment of cancers. The plant-derived products, that is vincristine, vinblastics, and apart from other drugs, that is miscellaneous cytotoxic drugs. These are come under the cytotoxic drugs. Second chemical structure class is hormones and their hormone antagonist. And third class in chemical structure, that is immunomodulators. In that, immunostimulant and immunosuppressants are come under this category, immunomodulators. Whereas second group, that is cell cycle or phase specificity of the drugs. In that, they are further classified in two types, that is cell cycle non-specific drugs, and second is cell cycle specific agents. In cell cycle non-specific agents, the examples are alkylating agents, some platinum compounds, some antibiotics are come in this non-specific class of the drugs. Whereas cell cycle specific drugs, they again divide into three phases, three segment. S phase specific drugs. In that, anti-metabolite, topoisomerase 2 inhibitors. Second subclass of the cell cycle specific agent, that is M phase. In M phase, plant alkaloids, some taxanes are come under M specific drugs. And G2 phase, that is conversion from synthetic phase to the M phase. In between these two phases, that is G2 phase, here antibiotic bleomycins are used. These are the classification of antineoplastic agents on the basis of chemicals or on the basis of cell cycles, where the particular drugs are involved in the treatment of cancer in cancer cell cycles. Again, in details, the chemical classification of anti-cancer agents are discussed below. In this first category, alkylating agents and cytotoxic drug. Alkylating agent is the first subclass of cytotoxic drugs. In that, they are further divided into five types. Nitrogen mustard. The common thing in alkylating agents, the alkyl side chains, terminal alkyl side chain present in the structures. On that basis, depend on the structural basis, they are further divided into five subtypes. That is nitrogen mustard. Example is cyclophosphamide, methylene, chlorambucils, michloroethamines. Second subclass of the alkylating agent is nitrosoureas. Example is carmustine, lomustine, semustine. Third is alkyl sulfonates. Example is bisulfons. Fourth subclass of alkylating agent is triazine derivatives. Example is de- decarbazines, procarbazines. These are the examples of triazines. And fifth subclass is ethylene amines. Example is thiotepa. The common thing in this all alkylating agents is terminal alkylating side chain is produced. Terminal alkyl chain is present in the structures. That's why these drugs are common in the alkylating agents. Second class of chemical, that is antimetabolites. Again, these antimetabolites are subdivided into three segments, depend on the structural similarity. Folate antagonist, the example is methotrexate. Purine resembles antagonist, example is 6-mercaptopurines, or called as their name is 6-MP short form. 6-MP, 6-thioguanine, the 6-TG is the short form which is used for this 6-thioguanine. Here, the thio group is present in guanine at 6 positions. This is a purine base, guanine is present in this 6-thioguanine. As a thioprine is the another example of purine antagonist. And third class is pyrimidine antagonist. 5-fluorouracil is the example, and cetarabine. This is containing pyrimidine as a basic heterocyclic moiety present in the structure. And all are collectively called as antimetabolites. Apart from alkylating agent and antimetabolites, third category is antibiotics, which is used in the treatment of cancer. Example are actinomycins, or called as deactinomycins, doxorubicins, daunorubicins, mitoxanthrons, bleomycins, mitomycins, mithramycin. These are the examples of anti-cancer antibiotics. Plant-derived products. Again, they are divided into their origins: vincristines, vincristine, vinblastines, axins. Examples are paclitaxel, docetaxels, and epipro toxins, etoposide and tinoposide is the examples of plant origin anti-cancer agents. Immunomodulators, examples are levomesols, interferons, alpha 2A, 2B, and interleukins. These are the immunomodulators. And lastly, hormones. Some hormones also used in the cancer therapy and hormone antagonists. They are further divided into their classes. Glucocorticoids, prednisolone, prednisone is the example of glucocorticoid. Estrogens, that is diethylstilbestrone is the example. Antiestrogens, that is tamoxifen. Androgen and anti-androgens, testosterone and glutamides is the examples. Progestins, that is methoxyprogesterone acetate is the example of progestins. These are the hormones which is used in the treatment of anti-cancers. Some monoclonal antibiotics also use. Example is trastuzumab, rituximab, imitinib. And some miscellaneous agents, those are not come in the earlier classes. They are categorized as a miscellaneous anti-cancer agents. Hydroxyurea, that is hydria, is the examples. Mitotins, cisplatin, carboplastin, mitoxanthones, and some enzymes, that is S-alpha, L-asparginase is the examples, come under miscellaneous category of anti-cancer agents. Now we have to move with the first class of anti-cancer agent, chemical class of anti-cancer agent, that is alkylating agents. Some of the structures you have to see here. The terminal alkyl chains. For example, chlorombucils. This is a terminal alkyl chain is present in the structures. Another example is bisulfones, the terminal alkylating chains. Carmustine, that is nitrosourea containing drug. Their Alkylating chain is here. Thiotepa, procarbazines. The alkylating chain should be present in the structures. In the alkylating agents, now we have to move with the mechanism of actions, how the alkylating agents exert their anti-cancer activity. Here, in the mechanism part, the alkyl chain of the alkylating agent is important, play an important role in the mechanism of alkylating agent. These alkylating chains, they bind with the DNA bases. Here, there is a substitution of alkyl chain from the alkylating agents on DNA basis and formation of cross-linked DNA strands. Once the formation of cross-linked DNA strand, they unable to produce further multiplications, further synthesis of particular cells DNA. Further multiplication completely stop by formation of cross-linked DNA strand. This type of mechanism actions, if asked in the examinations, chemistry point of view, this type of mechanism you have to give us. Alkylating alkyl chains, they bind with the DNA basis of either purine basis, guanine, adenine. The formation of cross-linked DNA strands. Once the formation of cross-linked DNA strand, they are unable to negative supercoiling. There is a multiplication of the particular DNA was completely stopped by these alkylating agents. Now move with the second types of the chemical class of the anti-cancer agent, that is antimetabolites. These are the some examples of antimetabolites. Mercaptopurine, these are purine analogs. These are folate antagonists, methotrexate is the examples. In mercaptopurine, this is a purine is the basic moiety which is resemble with the purine analogs of the DNA basis. Here 5-fluorouracil, this is structure of pyrimidine. This is a structurally resemble with the pyrimidine analogs of the DNA basis or RNA basis. And this is a folic acid resemble structure, that is methotrexate. Instead of folic acid, these drugs enter into the synthesis of DNA and to formation of faulty DNA in the synthesis. All these antimetabolite give exert their action like faulty formation of DNA or RNA by incorrupting structural similarity of the purine analogs, folate analogs, and pyrimidine analogs. Now some common mechanism action of some anti-cancer agents in single slides. If you see with this purine analogs to protein synthesis, where the particular drugs are active. This is antimetabolites. Examples of antimetabolites: this mercaptopurine, thioguanines, 5-fluorouracil, like that. These are the antimetabolites. They inhibit the purine synthesis by formation of purine to ribonucleotide. In this step, the antimetabolites are used. The hydroxyurea, miscellaneous class of agent, hydroxyurea, the conversion was inhibited, ribonucleotide to deoxyribonucleotides. This conversion was inhibited by hydroxyurea. Antimetabolites, that is pyrimidine analogs, they inhibit the deoxyribonucleotide formations. Once the deoxyribonucleotide formation block, they are unable to produce the DNA bases. If this process was further carried out by formation of DNA, This some antibiotics, anti-cancer antibiotics and alkylating agents are involved in the further process inhibitions of cell cycles by alteration of the particular structure by entering the alkyl group into the DNA bases present in the DNA. From DNA to RNA, process was inhibited by etoposide or topoisomerase 2 inhibitors by breaking the DNA. And if protein is formed, then these hormones, enzymes, this enzyme L-asparginase enzymes are involved. And once the DNA is formed, further mitosis process was carried out. These agents are used. Vinculolides prevent the polymerizations in mitotic phase, whereas taxons enhance the polymerization process. This is a single page. All anti-cancer agents are how they are active. This is one of the interesting page for remembering all the mechanism of action of anti-cancer drugs in single page, single lookout. Here in this segment, there are some tabular forms. You have to give all the necessary information related to the concerned drugs along with their mechanism of action, clinical applications where the particular drugs were used, where particular routes and side of effect. All of you remember, recognize and remember. For example, nitrogen mustards, mechloroethamines, first class of the alkylating agents. They mechanism action, DNA cross-linking inhibited of DNA synthesis and functions. Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is controlled by this nitrogen mustard, generally oral given prefer oral, and some side effect is nausea, vomiting, PBL count depressions, BM depression, that is bone marrow depressions, bleeding, alopecia, skin immunizations, pulmonary fibrosis. These are the condition related with the nitrogen mustard. Alkyl sulfonate, busulfans, atypical alkylating agents class. They are applied for chronic granulocytic lymphomic leukemia conditions, orally effective, and side effect is bone marrow depression, pulmonary fibrosis, and hyperleukemia. Lomustine, that is nitrosourea, which is another lomustine alkylate, and cross-link the DNA strands. And activity is similar like other alkylating agents. These are the applications where the nitrosourea is used. These drugs are orally effective, and the side effect is nausea, vomiting, nephrotoxicity, and nerve dysfunction. Second class, antimetabolites, pyrimidine analogs, example is cysteines, inhibit the DNA synthesis. And this generally used in acute myelolytic leukemia conditions. These drugs are orally effective and side effect is bone marrow depressions. Next class is plant alkaloid, vinca alkaloids, that is vincristine, vinblastase. Their action is cytotoxic inhibition of mitotic spindle formations by inhibiting tubulin M phase of the cell cycles. Where they apply in metastatic testicular cancers, Hodgkin's and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, breast carcinoma, and neuroblastoma conditions. Generally, these drugs are IV effective. Side effect is bone marrow depressions, epithelial ulcerations, GI disturbance, and neurotoxicity. And antibiotics are dactinomycins. It bind to the DNA and inhibit the RNA synthesis. And epitosides bind to the topoisomerase 2 and it produces the actions by inhibition of topoisomerase 2. Vincoalkalides, the structure of Vinca alkaloids. It is a safe anti-mitotic and antimicrobial alkaloid agent. Originally, these drugs are derived from the Canthritis rosea, that is Vinca rosea and other Vinca plants. These drugs were discovered in the 1950 for the cancer chemotherapy agents. And these scientists, Robert Nobel and Charles Beers, these are the originator of these Vinca alkaloids as a cancer therapy. Toxicity occur with the anti-cancer agents, that is majorly bone marrow depression, buccal mucosa erosions, GIT, that is diarrhea, hemorrhage, nausea, vomiting like conditions, alopecia, is a loss of hair follicles, carcinogenicity, tetragenicity, hyperuricemia, polonic acid rescue. These are some figures related with the toxicity of the particular anti-cancer drugs. Avoid in during the pregnancy, GI disturbance, nausea, vomiting like conditions, bone marrow suppressions, anorexia like conditions. These are the combination of chemotherapeutic agents on different type of cancers. In breast cancer, cyclophosphamides, methotrexate, 5-fluorouracils, doxorubicin, cyclophosphamide. These combinations are used. The short form is CFM and DC for doxorubicin and cyclophosphamide. Hodgkin's disease, the mustins are given, carmustine, lomustins like conditions. Vincristines, procambazins, prednisones. And other condition is doxorubicins, bleomycin, vinblastine, and dacarbazines. Non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, cyclophosphamide, doxorubicin, vincristine, and prednisolone. Germ cell tumors, bleomycins, etoposide, cisplastins. Stomach cancer, epirubicins, cisplastins, 5-fluorouracil, or epirubicins, cisplastin, cepacitabines. Bladder cancers, methotrexate, vincristines, doxorubicins, cisplastins. These are the examples of bladder cancers. Lung cancers, cyclophosphamide, doxorubicins, vincristines. Collateral cancers, 5-fluorouracils, polonic acid, oxalipides. These are the combination drugs for the different kinds of cancers. There are steps to prevent the cancers. There are 7 steps. Like do not use tobacco, the first step. Protect your skin from the suns. Eat a healthy diet. Maintain a healthy weight and be physically active. Practice safer sex and avoid risky behaviors. Get immunized, that is HPV and hepatitis vaccines. Know your family medical history and get regular cancer screening. These are the main steps. If you follow, you have to away from the cancers. These are the some figures related with the superfoods for the anti-cancer activity. Now we have to move with the, as per your syllabus concern, synthetic part, how the mercaptopurins was prepared. The mercaptopurins was prepared from hypoxanthins. Hypoxanthins was undergo react with the phosphorus oxychloride, formation of 6-chloropurines. This 6-chloropurines react with the sodium thiocyanate, formation of thiocyanide formations followed by hydrolysis and to form the mercaptopurine. Second synthesis is methotrexate formations. This is a structure of methotrexate. How will it form? By combining 3 drugs, it will form the cyclization and to make the methotrexate. Which 3 compounds? That is 2,4,5,6 tetra aminopyrimidines react with the 2,3-dibromo propanaldehydes and methyl aminobenzyl glutamates. They react, undergo cyclization and dehydration, and to make the methotrexate as a final product. All of you note down this synthesis of mercaptopurine and methotrexate. These are the references which is used for making these slides of antineoplastic part 1 session and antineoplastic part 2 session, that is current sessions. And for listening of antineoplastic lecture 1 and lecture 2, thank you for this. And at the end of these sessions, I give the one slogan, that is smoking and drinking is injurious to health. Thank you.